Namaste and welcome back to Typical Monk. Last class, the chromosomes lined up on the plate. Now, the real split happens. Anaphase, Telophase, and Cytokinesis. This is where one cell truly becomes two identical cells. One idea at a time. Here is today's path. 5 stops. First, Anaphase, where the chromatids separate. Second, Telophase, where two nuclei form. Third, Cytokinesis, that is the difference between animal and plant. Fourth, why mitosis matters. And fifth, where mitosis happens. Now, the third stage, Anaphase. The centromere split and the two sister chromatids finally separate. Each freed chromatid is now a full daughter chromosome. The shortening spindle fibers pull them to opposite poles. This way, each pole gets an identical complete set of chromosomes. Now the fourth stage, Telophase. The chromosomes reach the poles and decondense back into chromatin. A nuclear envelope reforms around each of the two sets. The nucleolus also returns, that is, it is almost the reverse of prophase. Now, two nuclei have formed, karyokinesis is complete. Now the cytoplasm divides. This is called cytokinesis. Look at both pictures, the cleavage furrow in animals, the cell plate in plants. Cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, one cell becomes two. In an animal cell, a cleavage furrow pinches inward from the sides. In a plant cell, a cell plate forms because the rigid wall cannot pinch. In some cells, karyokinesis happens without cytokinesis. This forms a syncytium. Now, the most important question, why is mitosis needed? It makes two diploid daughter cells, genetically identical to the parent. It drives growth. The body grows by making more cells. It handles repair and replacement. Skin, blood, and gut cells are made again. And it keeps the chromosome number constant in the body's cells. Now, where does mitosis happen? In animals, mitosis happens in the somatic, that is body, cells. In plants, it happens mainly in the meristems, that is at the growing tips. Wherever it runs, it keeps genetic constancy, a faithful copy. Now, the high-yield pointers, the facts that NEET turns into questions. 1. Anaphase, the centromere split, sister chromatids move to opposite poles. 2. Telophase, knee and nucleolus return, chromosomes decondense, two nuclei. 3. Cytokinesis, animal means a cleavage furrow, plant means a cell plate. 4. Karyokinesis, without cytokinesis, forms a syncytium, many nuclei, one cytoplasm. 5. Mitosis gives two identical diploid cells, in plants, at the meristems. Now let's clear the mistakes students fall for. Myth, plant cells divide by cleavage furrow. Truth, plant cells form a cell plate, only animal cells divide by a furrow. Myth, mitosis creates genetic variation. Truth, mitosis gives identical cells. Variation comes from meiosis. Now, test yourself. Think of each answer before it appears. Answer first. That is how you build strong NEET recall. Question 1. In which stage do the centromeres split? Answer: Anaphase. Question 2. When does the nuclear envelope return? In Telophase. Question 3. Cytokinesis in a plant cell is by what? By a cell plate. Question 4. Karyokinesis without cytokinesis forms what? A syncytium. Question 5. How many cells does mitosis make? 2 identical diploid. Let's gather it all in one breath. Anaphase, the centromere split, chromatids to opposite poles. Telophase, knee and nucleolus return, two nuclei form. Cytokinesis, a furrow, animal or a cell plate, plant. Mitosis gives two identical diploid cells. It drives growth, repair, and genetic constancy. In the next class, meiosis begins, the reduction division. See you there. You have cleared the full journey of mitosis, from start to finish. Be proud of that, one cell at a time, with a calm mind, and you will surely crack NEET. This is Typical Monk. Every class, always free.